In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Microsoft Copilot app in dark mode on your PC. By the end, your Copilot interface will switch to a darker, easier on the eyes look that's great for evening use and reduces glare. Start by opening the Microsoft Copilot app on your computer. Once it's open, look for the three dots. This is the Settings and More menu. Depending on your version, the icon might appear in different places. On some builds, it shows up in the bottom left corner. On others, it can be near the top edge. Wherever you see the three dots, click them and then select Settings. Inside Settings, locate the Theme section. You'll see an option that takes you to your system settings. Click Go to System Settings. Copilot follows your Windows appearance preferences, so the actual switch to dark mode happens in Windows rather than only inside the app. When the Windows Settings window opens, you'll be in the Color section under Personalization. Here you may see one of two layouts. On some devices, there's a drop-down labeled Choose Your Color. Select Dark from that list. On other devices, you might see a setting called Default App Mode. Set this to Dark. Either option tells Windows to use dark styling for supported apps, including Copilot. After you make the change, Copilot should adjust automatically. If you don't see it update right away, give it a second or close and reopen the Copilot app to refresh the theme. A quick reminder before you commit. Switching to dark mode at the system level means other parts of Windows may also turn dark. That includes File Explorer and many built-in or supported apps. If that's what you want, you're all set. If you prefer to keep things lighter during the day, you can always come back to the same colors page later and switch back to light. That's the entire process. Open Microsoft Copilot, go into Settings via the three dots, find the Theme section, jump to System Settings, and then select Dark using either the Choose Your Color dropdown or the Default App Mode option. It's simple, quick, and reversible anytime. If this walkthrough helped you get Copilot into dark mode, do me a favor and hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new, more comfortable Copilot experience.